also. Happy Teachers Day to all our amazing teachers. We salute you and thank you for all that you have done. Thank you.
Thank you, Savitri, for those inspiring words. Now let's turn up the excitement with some amazing performance. I invite Father Anthony Alphonse for a talk and gifting for the teachers.
Very good morning to one and all. And I wish a great and wonderful and beautiful Teachers' Day wishes to each and every teacher here, present here. The greatest thing I cherish in my life, there are two greatest things that I cherish in my life. The first thing, there was the first dream in my life to be a religious. I am very happy and cherish about I am a religious. And the second thing, that is the most little more precious, that is there was a childhood dream, there also was a childhood dream to be a teacher. To be a teacher. And we know that teaching is the first profession and is a profession that is the mother of all other professions. Teaching is the first profession and that is the mother of all other professions. And from the mouth of a teacher, we learn the first word, and there is a beginning and there is a new way, a opening to a knowledge, a world of knowledge. And on this day of Teachers' Day, and wish everyone the best, and only one thing to say, we all are teachers, and in your teaching, have passion in your teaching. Let this teaching may not be simple, income-fetching profession, or just like another profession, but more than that, you have to remember, through this profession, we are making the generation, the next generation, the future of our country is in our hands. Whatever may be our subject, maybe languages, different other subjects, whatever may be, whatever we do, let it do with a concept in our mind, that with a passion we have to do it. We are the people who can change people, who can transform children, and we have got that greatest miraculous power. Every teacher has that potentiality. So, on this day of teaching, Teachers' Day, I wish everyone to be a teacher of passion, a passionate teacher. And I take this opportunity as a correspondent of Assisi School. I'm really proud because we have a bench full of very good, talented, excellent and very hardworking teachers. And not even one I can say they are not working well, but everyone, starting from our principal, Father Anish, and till the last one, who will be the last one to join maybe this year, maybe everyone. So including everyone here doing the best, and you are sacrificing your time, you are sacrificing your life works and so many other things you are sacrificing, and you are putting up a lot of effort. It means a lot, and when we look back into the 2016, the beginning of Assisi School, we have started with 225 children and we have reached 886 children now, and it is only just because of your hard work. And this Teachers' Day is a great moment for every one of us because the children, they have come forward and they are doing it everything. And that is a great moment that shows that our children are grown up. They have grown up in such a level they can handle by themselves. And that's also a victory and success of every teacher. So I take this opportunity to thank every teacher here, and let's give a big applause for everyone. Thank you. And I think the gifts are ready, prizes are ready. So it's just a token of happiness. So please.
Dance Station Crew. The new the Monday post farm the Bampalchin West to Utlamos Sunda Gunda Paste Jotala Utada Jota Tukin Tortada Jota Katan Merta Dabra Party by Jotala Sari raat jagave yaadanu zikr teraave aaye kyun na aaye subhave haniya teri hoke mara jind jaan kara teri hoke
Help me, not to kill me. Please don't hit me with that. Peppa, come here. Give me that. Thank you. Thank you. Patients are ready.
ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಧ, ನಾಡಿಗೆ ರೈತ, ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಗುರು ಒಬ್ಬ ತಾನೆ. ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಸೋ, ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಳಿಸೋ, ಅವನೂನು ಅನ್ನದಾತಾನೆ. ತಪ್ಪು ಸರಿಯ ತಿದ್ದಿ ತಿಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಮಬುದ್ಧಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿತ್ತ ಶುದ್ಧಿಯಾಗೋ ಹಾದಿ. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಮರಿಬೇಡ ನಿನ್ನ ಬೇರು, ನಿನ್ನ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದುವೇ ಆದಿ. ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ 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 ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ. ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಧ, ನಾಡಿಗೆ ರೈತ, ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಗುರು ಒಬ್ಬ ತಾನೆ. ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಸೋ, ಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಳಿಸೋ, ಅವನು ಅನ್ನದಾತಾನೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಕಲಿತ ಜಾಗ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಗುರುತು ಅರಿತ ಜಾಗ, ಕನಸುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಡೆದ ಜಾಗ, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪಡೆದ ಜಾಗ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೂ ಕೀಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಹಸಿರಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮೊದಲು ಕೊನೆಯಿಲ್ಲ. ಮನೆಯೇ ಮೊದಲ ಶಾಲೆ, ತಾಯಿನೇ ಗುರುವು, ತಾಯಿಗೂ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳಿದ ಗುರುವೇ ಅರಿವು. ಎಲ್ಲ ದಾನಕ್ಕೂ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಎನ್ನುವುದನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದ ದೇಶ ನಮದು, ವಿಶ್ವದ ಕಣ್ಣು. ಮುಂದೆ ಗುರಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂದೆ ಗುರು ಇರಬೇಕು, ನಂಬಿ ನಡೆದರೆ ಸಾಕು ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಬದುಕು. चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए आधी आधी बात ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीन थोड़ा सा तेरा
was celebrated in a wonderful and in an excellent way. So I take this opportunity once again to thank all my Assisi school staff. Now you know that. You know what it is? Yes. Thank you, dear teachers. I know that Assisi school started in 2016. Like a small plan, and this our teachers who wanted it, who gave it manual, who worked hard for it, and made it into a dream. And I thank all my dear teachers for all the great work that you do for Assisi School. We shall get it up for them. Thank you, dear teachers. Thank you so much. Now I know that this school runs because of the real administrative capacity of our dear Father Anthony Alphonse. Our administrative father, he is arranging everything better for us, and he is having a plan for the future, that what labs should be made, how it has to be, and how the road should be, how the ground should be. He has got a plan for our school. And I take this opportunity to thank our administrative father Anthony Alphonse for his vision and hard work that he is doing for the school. I take this opportunity also to thank our assistant principal, our Anthony Shaji, who has taken up the charge this year, but he is doing a wonderful job, and I take this opportunity to thank him. We shall give a big clap for Father. Thank you, Father. And I take all the opportunity to thank all our dear sisters and our brothers and all the teachers. Now I should also thank our teachers who came for as substitutes for 3 or 4 months, but they were really part of Assisi School, and I could not honor them on that day. So I take this opportunity to thank all our dear teachers who came as a substitute. We really feel that you really loved Assisi School and did your wonderful job for Assisi School. We hope that in the future you will also join us again in our Assisi family. So we shall give for all the substitute teachers a big clap. Thank you, dear teachers. Thank you so much. And today's program was well arranged and well organized. I take this opportunity to thank our school leader Savitri and the assistant director Saisijanya for the hard work to arrange this program. So I take this opportunity to thank all the management committee of the students committee, and we shall give a big clap for all the students who are already received very well. Thank you, dear children, for your hard work. And I take this opportunity also to thank all the children who performed the programs here. 8th class children and 1st class children and LKG children have performed many programs here, and we shall give a big clap for them. Thank you so much. And I know that with much difficulty, most of our children have dressed up as like teachers, and I felt most of them are real teachers. So you are well dressed and came for helping the teachers in the classes. Now I thank every one of them who are being dressed up like the teachers and come to the school. We shall give a clap for them too. Now, thank you, dear children, for your kind cooperation in encouraging everybody. And now we will be moving back to our classes. Okay, all of you please stand up. Thank you.